1, sir.
How?
X has power 1.
Okay.
So 1x. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. So anything to the power 0 is 1.
That's
except for 0 and 1.
very good. Then what is derivative of 1?
X has power 1.
Okay.
So 1x. So it's 1, 2. Derivative of 1 is 1, sir.
Derivative of 1 is 1. How can you say?
Derivative of 1 has the power 1. That equals 1 times 1 to the power 0. And 0 to the power 1 is 1.
Derivative of, that is d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n times x to the power of n minus 1. By using this formula, derivative of x cube, by using this formula, derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square. Next, derivative of x square is equal to x. Derivative of x is equal to 1. Yes, as you said, it is 1.
Yes.
I agree. How derivative of x is equal to 1? Because x means x to the power of 1.
Yes.
When we use the same formula, it is 1 into x to the power of 1 minus 1. 1 into x power 0. X power 0, 1 is equal to 1. Right. Very good. Now, what is derivative of 1? See, the most important thing is, in differentiation, the most important thing is, it is x.
Yes.
This formula is used only when these two variables are same.
Yes.
So, one may think that it is wrong thinking. D by dx of 1 means 1 power 1 or 1 power 0. Don't use this formula. Here, x is considered as x power 1.
Yes.
X is nothing but x power 1. The same way, 1 may be 1 power 1. Then it is equal to 1 into 1 to the power of 1 minus 1 is equal to something like that. It is wrong thinking.
Okay.
Why it is wrong? Because it is x, but it is not x.
Yes.
To use this formula, both the variables must be same. Right? And one more thing, according to this formula, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Correct only. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, correct only. But derivative of 2 cube cannot be 3 into 2 square. It is also wrong thinking. Because it is x, it is 2.
Yes.
Terms are not same. Moreover, it should be variable.
Yes.
Yeah. Differentiation or derivative is possible only for functions. That means variables, but not for constants. Right?
Yes.
So, how to find the derivative of 1? See, first of all, we should convert that constant into the powers of x. So, 1 is nothing but x power 0. 1 is nothing but x power 0. 1 is x power 0.
Yes.
X and x same.
Yes.
X and x same. So, we can use this formula. Yeah, what happens if we use this formula? 0 into
x to the power -1.
Yeah, -1. Very good. 0 into any defined value.
Yes, sir.
0 into any defined value. That is 0.
0.
So, derivative of 1 is equal to?
0, sir.
Yes. Derivative of x is equal to?
1, sir.
Now, derivative of 1 by x. You know this formula? A power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, and vice versa. 1 by a
Yes.
power m is equal to a power minus m.
Yes.
Now,
so
by x.
be d by dx times
D
x to the power negative x to the power -1.
Yes, now we can use the formula.
-1 times -1 times x to the power
-1, -1.
-2.
Yeah, it is -1 formula. This, yeah, it is formula, right? So it is equal to
-1 times negative x to the power -2.
-1 times x to the power of -2 means
1 by x square.
-1 by x.
1 by x
1
square.
over x square.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is d by dx of 1 by x square? D by dx of
Negative x square to the power -2.
it will be -2 in
-2 times x to the power -5. Sorry, -3.
-3, right?
Times x to the power -3.
Is it -2
to x
1 by x?
1 by x cube. That equals -2 over x cube.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, d by dx of x to the power of n formula. N times x to the power of n minus 1, right? And one thing, this is variable. This is variable. Right? It is constant. You know the difference between variable and constant?
Yes, sir.
These are all variables. It should be constant. That means x square, x cube. Such functions only can be differentiated by using this formula. It is constant. Then only this formula is used. For example, to find the derivative of x cube, this formula can be used. How? X is variable.
Yes, sir. 3 is constant.
Constant. So this formula can be used. Answer is
Yes.
x square.
3x square.
Okay.
Yes.
But derivative of 3 power x, can we use this formula for this? Can we
No,
say
sir.
x into 3 to the power of x minus 1? Is it correct?
No, sir.
It is wrong. Because why we shouldn't use this formula for this problem?
Because the variable are not same.
Now, base should be variable and power should be constant. Then
Yes.
only this formula is used.
Yes.
And one more thing, don't try to use this formula to answer this question. X to the power of x, of course, base variable. Base is variable, but base is variable. But power is not. Power is also variable. What should be power?
Constant.
Power should be constant. Is it constant?
No, sir.
It's not constant. So for this question, this formula can't be used. But for these type of functions, there are separate formulae. We will discuss later. They have much depth in that formula.
Yes.
So that's very important. Now, d by dx of k into f of x. Some constant. K means some constant. Is equal k times of d by dx of f of x. Just write the constant before. Application of this formula is, if we want to find the derivative of 5x cube, how to find the derivative of 5x cube? Here 5 is a constant. So just write 5 before it. 5 into d by dx of x cube. Five into d by dx of x cube. Then the process same as usual. 5 into 3x square. That means 5 3s are 15x square. So derivative of 5x cube is
15x squared.
next. Derivative of 2x power 4.
4 times the d by dx.
2 into,
Sorry, 2 times d by dx.
yeah, 2 times d by dx of
X to the power 4
very good.
equal 2 times x to the power.
Times 4 times
Sorry, 4 by x.
cube.
Sorry, cube. Yes, 3
8x cube.
x cube.
If we understand the calculation, we can write it directly. Because
Yes.
2 4s are 8.
Those are 8.
X cube.
Yes.
Now tell what is derivative of 3x square?
6x.
Very good. 6x. Derivative of k into x to the power of n.
So both of them are variables.
Yeah, multiplied. That means kn.
Oh, so kn to the power
Kn x
of
to the power of
n minus 1.
Now, same pattern. Derivative of k by f of x is equal k times
d by dx times f of x by k. F of x by k.
Yeah, d by dx of 1 by f of x. Application of this formula is d by dx of 2 by x cube. How to write it? 2 into
2 into d by dx times 1 by x
1 by
cube.
x, right?
Yes.
Later on, d by dx of x 1 by x cube means x power minus 3.
Yes.
We can use it 2 into 2 times of minus 3 times of x to the power of minus 4. How minus 4? Do you know how minus 4? Derivative of x power minus 3 is minus 3 times x to the power of minus 3 minus 1. Negative 3, negative 1. Negative
Yes, sir.
1 is negative 4, right?
Negative 4.
Now,
Yes, sir.
this is equal minus 6 into 1
X
by x to the power of 4.
x to the power 4.
That is equal minus 6 by x to the power of 4. Now, the next point. I will send you the complete file. In that file, it contains all the formulae. Let me send you right now. Today, JEE main exam starts.
Oh.
Today is only for architecture.
Yes.
Today, architecture only. Low means logarithm. I'm sending this also to you. Limits, sequence, differentiation. Because you are writing formula separately. Of course, continue writing. But I am sending you the complete file. This is it has everything.
Yes.
Each chapter. LO means logarithm. Definitely, you will have the chapter logarithms even in board exam or SAT.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, it gets stuck. I think it gets stuck. Okay, okay. Right. Whenever you get time, go through these. Okay.
Harmless. Yes.
PDF not, is it? Can't we send PDFs?
We can, sir.
Is it document or photos?
Documents.
documents. Then
So you can search the download.
download. Yeah, it is there. Okay, Adobe.
So
Yes.
say the search download, sir. Right corner.
Downloads. Yeah, downloads.
So you put yellow, no, sir, for
Yeah,
the.
logarithms.
No, sir, in the top it's there.
It's not. It's not there.
It's there, sir, in the top.
In the top. It is no. It is not that function. It is just link.
Oh, so
Yeah.
there it says search downloads, right corner up.
Right corner. Yeah.
Right corner, sir. Left, right.
Here.
Up. There's no, sir. Up towards the corner.
This one.
Not that. That's left side, sir. The right side.
Right side.
Up. Search
Yeah.
downloads.
Got it. Got it. It doesn't show all files. Okay.
It's up, sir, with the magnifying glass search one.
Yeah, it one. Is it like this?
No, no, sir. There it is written search downloads.
Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. Got it. But here we can see why it is not seen there. That means it is format is different. I think its format is okay.
So it's the Google things.
Let's check. I think do you have? Yeah, it is logarithms. I want to send this file. Logarithms, but it is not shown there. And differentiation as difference.
So it says Google, sir. If
Uh,
if you
right.
send the if you go to the document.
Yeah, got it.
Downloads.
Yeah, right. May try. May I send that? This one.
Yes, sir. If you try that, it'll open.
Yeah, same. Very good. Yeah, practice them. And also, I will send differentiation also. Very good. Okay, it is downloaded. Later, you can. Okay, got it. Right. Yeah, open like this. You get this file. Yeah, get this post, and you can click on it, and it will be downloaded. Okay, right. See, now one more point. Because the chapter logarithm is key point for calculus. Without logarithms, we can't understand calculus.
Yes.
See.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
So when there's a graph and then the graph is like that.
Yes.
And there's negative, 0, -3, and then over here it's -3, 0, right. And the question is use the graph and find the value of f to the power -3. Will the answer be this or this?
I will tell. See, for example, a graph is like this. It is 0, -3. It is -3, 0.
Yes.
If a curve and if a curve or a line passes through these 2 points like this, we want to know what is f of -3. Is it 0 or -3? Okay. First, to understand that, we must keep this point in our mind. That is, f of x is equal to y.
Yes.
That means y is equal to f of x.
Yes.
Y is equal to f of x. So in this notation, which notation? F of x is equal to y notation. It should be x coordinate. It should be y coordinate. Right?
Yes.
So this should be what? Y coordinate or x coordinate?
Y coordinate.
Y
Sorry.
coordinate,
Yeah.
yeah. Y coordinate of -3. Y coordinate of -3. It is nothing but y coordinate
Of -3.
of -3.
So the answer will be -3, 0.
See. As we said, there is a curve passing through this point whose coordinates are -3, 0, right?
Yes.
And the value of f of -3 is asked. So this should be
Y
y coordinate
coordinate.
of -3. This is -3. Its y
Yes.
coordinate 0.
Yes, sir.
So it should be 0.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now, for example, if we see another diagram, it is a graph. I think you need to learn much about graphs. I recommend that book. Yeah, try to get it. Have you tried to get it?
Yes, sir, but I couldn't find it anywhere.
Yeah, okay. I'll try. I'll try something. See, for example, this is a graph, right?
Yes.
This is 1. This is 5. For this graph, if it is f of x, you may be asked to find the value of f of 1. If this graph is f of x, you may be asked to find the value of f of 1. What is the value of f of 1?
5, sir.
In the previous question, we can see directly -3, 0. That's why we answered f of -3 is equal to 0.
Yes.
But here, that value is not shown directly.
Yes, sir.
But f of 1 is asked.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, just draw a vertical line passing through 1. That line meets that curve at a particular point.
Yes, sir.
From that point, draw a horizontal line. That horizontal line, you need to find the number at which the horizontal line meets the y-axis. It is called y-axis.
Yes, sir.
So this is the required point, 1, comma. So coordinates of this point are 1, 5.
Yes.
So f of 1 is equal to
5, sir.
right. If we see another graph, getting clarity?
Yes, sir.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something. There is a graph like this. It is f of x. Now tell what is f of 2?
0, sir.
Very good. F of 5?
0, sir.
Very good. Can you tell f of 1?
Must be some 4 or something.
Yeah. Yes. Coordinates of this point are 1, 3.
1, 3.
So f of 1 is y coordinate of 1.
Yes, sir.
Y coordinate of 1. Y
Yes.
coordinate of 1 is 3 only. It's finding the value of f of something. Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Where did you see this question? See this type of question?
Sir, I was doing the practice for my questions and I found it. It's not SAT, it's just normal practice.
Yeah. Actually, which topic is going on in your school right now?
Sir, he's teaching the inverse, sir. Inverse with a cube. Before, previously, he taught me, like he taught the class about how we can do without the cube root. For example, it's 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals y. Now we have to find the inverse of this, sir.
Units of that.
Yes, sir. Just like substituting the value of y and finding the value of x. Or something like that. And then now we have to find the value of y, sir. Apparently 3y squared plus 5y equals x plus 1.
Okay.
So we do all that and we find the value of y, sir. We only substitute the y and we find the value of the y.
How can you find
now,
the value? How to find the value of y here?
Oh, in that question, yeah, I don't know, sir. I just came up.
See. Just wait. Let me tell you this. Clear it once. Yeah. See, it is called finding the inverse of a function. See, first point. If f of x is equal, say something 2x plus 3. Inverse of the symbol for inverse of functions like this.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Solution. Do you write solution or answer simply?
So we just write the answer, so we don't even write anything.
Right. See, given f of x is equal 2x plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Let f of x is equal to y. That means f of x means 2x plus 3.
2x plus 3 equals y.
That means 2x is equal to y minus 3.
Y minus 3.
Dividing both sets by 2. X is
equals y minus 3 whole by 2.
Y minus 3 whole by 2, right?
Yes.
X means, see, if f of x is equal to y, that means x is equal to f inverse of y.
Yes.
If f of x is equal to y, then x is equal to f inverse of y. Got it?
Yes.
So here x is there. This is x. X means what?
Y.
F inverse of y.
F inverse.
So in the place of x, we can write f inverse of y.
Yes.
Is equal
x minus 3.
Just wait. Write as it is like y minus 3 by 2.
Yes.
So f inverse of y is equal to y minus 3 by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
F inverse of z will be z minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3. Yes, sir.
F inverse of alpha.
Alpha minus 3 by 2.
F inverse of beta.
Beta minus 3 by 2.
Therefore, F inverse of x.
X minus 3 by 2.
X minus 3 by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir. That's what happened last semester. And now he
Wait. I am up to that point.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just next level of these questions. Next level of these questions are like this. f of x is equal to, as you write there, x square plus 1 like this, something like this.
Yes.
Or x square plus 2x plus 3. Find f inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
Let f of x is equal to y. That means x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to y. That means x square plus 2x plus 3 minus y
Equal
is equal
0.
to 0, right? Now we can't convert this equation as x is equal to something like the previous question.
Yes.
It's not possible to write like this. Or if we try to do so, from this step we can write, instead of bringing plus y to left hand side, we may think that as before we do, x square plus 2x is equal to y minus 3. But if we take x common, x plus 2 is equal to y minus 3. X is equal to y, like we did, like 2x is equal to y minus 3, then x is equal to y minus 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Like that, x is equal to y minus 3 by x plus 2.
X 2.
But it is not useful.
Yes, sir.
Because in this function, it contains only y terms.
Yes, sir.
This term doesn't contain x term.
Yes.
But this contains x terms.
Yes.
So we can't go forward from this step. So if we write x equal to something, means other side must be
only
without x. Only
yes,
y's, like that. It is not possible to do so.
Yes, sir.
So this procedure not applicable here. So to find the value of x here, there is a next level, advanced level process that is called using quadratic equation.
Yes, sir.
As we know quadratic equations, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Yes, sir.
That means the formula is, do you remember ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0?
Yes.
Then x is equal to negative b.
Negative b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
2a. Here it is 1x square. So a is equal to 1.
B equals 2.
2x. B is equal to.
C equals 3 minus y.
Yes. C is equal to 3 minus 1. You may hesitate to write 3 minus y as C, because there is a variable y. But in this context, y is considered as a constant.
Yes.
Because x is variable. Other than that, everything is constant in this context only. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to, c is equal to 3 minus y. Now we can find the value of x. In this process, we can get x is equal to something. That something must contain only y terms, not x terms as before. See,
yes.
Negative b. Negative b means negative 2.
Negative 2 plus or minus
the square root of
root 4
4.
minus
4 b square minus 4 ac. 4a means 1.
1 times
c
3
minus c
minus
means 3 minus y. Whole by 2 into 1.
times.
Now it is equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of
4 minus
4 minus 12 plus
minus
4y.
12 plus 4y by
Whole
2.
by 2.
2.
It is equal to negative 2 plus or minus 4y minus 8. Sorry. 4y minus 8 by 2.
By 2.
So our conclusion is that f inverse of x is equal negative 2. We should decide according to the given function, which is correct, plus 2 correct or minus 2 correct. It is to be decided. See, negative 2 plus or minus the square root of
Y minus
4y.
4y.
That is 4x. 4x
4y.
minus 8 by.
Yes, sir. By 2.
At the end, we replaced y by x. At the end, we replace the y as y by x. X is written in the place of y at the end.
Yes.
In the conclusion, right? That's why f inverse x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 4x minus 8 by 4. It is the inverse of this function.
Yes.
Yeah, inverse of these functions are are to be found like this.
Yes, sir. And then there's like cube root functions.
Cube
Inverse of
functions
cube
also
root
there.
function. Yes, sir.
If there is
Inverse
x cube, there shouldn't be x square terms or x terms are like this. That means, may I have this?
Yes, sir.
See, if f of x is equal x cube plus 2, something like this, we can find its inverse.
Yes, sir.
F of x is equal to y.
Yes, sir.
Say, that means x cube plus 2 is equal to y.
Yes, sir.
That means x cube is
equal y minus 2. X equals cube root of x minus 2.
Right?
Then
F inverse y. X means F inverse y.
F inverse y equals 3 root
Cube root
x
of y minus 2. Therefore,
F inverse of x equals cube root x minus 2.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
But if this function, if the given function contains other than x square or x, it will be more complicated. We have formula to solve quadratic equation. That means second degree equations, x square. But there is no easy formula to solve cubic equations. If x cube is there, it is called cubic equation. X cube is there, it is called cubic equation. 26 is holiday for me.
26, sir. Why, sir? Oh, it's Republic Day.
Okay.
When is 26?
January 26. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Republic Day.
It is Republic Day. And pre-final is going on. That's why they may not attend just for a few days. And one more thing, JEE main exam starts from today. I think for 1 week, I think for 4 or 5 days, the exams will continue.
Yes.
After a few days, we will have class for them. Then we will have, as usual, timetable. Like that. Okay. And I will send you the files for limits and differentiation also, because it contains everything. It is useful for even from board exam to advanced level, up to advanced level. Not only for advanced level, up to advanced level.
Yes.
See, d by dx of a into f of x plus or minus b times of g of x is equal to a into d by dx of f of x plus b into d by dx of g of x. That means, do you have any clue about the topic which is going on in your school? That means heading of the chapter or something like that.
Rubik cube transformations and root cube transformations and
Root cube. Tell it again. Root. Is it root?
Yes, sir. Root cube function.
Cube.
Root cube function.
Is it the correct word? Is it the word? Exact word?
Let me just check, sir. I don't know. I had class day before yesterday. I have to check. 1 second. I think it's cube root cube. Oh, now mention cube and cube root functions.
Cube root functions. Okay, right. Cube root functions.
Cube and cube root functions.
Cube and cube root functions. It's the title of the chapter, right?
Yes.
D by dx of 2x cube plus 3x squared plus 7. How to find it? As by using that formula?
Oh,
2 into d by dx of x cube.
Oh, that one. Yes.
Plus
X
3 into
cube plus 3 into d by dx of x squared plus
7 d by dx of 7.
7.
Can you tell?
Says the answer
2 into 3x square
3 into 3x square
plus 3 into 2x. Yes,
plus
we know
0.
Derivative of 0. How could you tell?
The 1 it's 0, no sir.
Derivative of 1 is equal to 0. So derivative of 7, which means derivative of 7 into 1.
Then 0 times
7 times of derivative of 1. That is equal to derivative of 7 into 0. So derivative of any constant is 0. Keep that part. Yes. Derivative of any constant is 0. That is 6x square plus 6x.
Plus 6x.
This is a procedure. Now we will learn how to use this differentiation to find the limits. In the course of finding the limit of a function, we came across the concept L'Hospital rule.
Yes.
To know what is L'Hospital rule or to apply L'Hospital rule, we should be aware of the basics of differentiation. That's why I taught this.
Yes.
In tomorrow's class, you will be learning L'Hospital rule, how to use L'Hospital rule. Okay.
Yes.
I will send those files also, differentiation and limits files also.
Yes.
Whenever if you see a tough concept or tough formula, tough topics, you can just skip them. Okay.
Yes.
Underline the points which are applicable to you, which are useful to you. That means which are easy to you. If it's important, of course, grasp the points which are easy to you, right? Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah, definitely. I will be right. I will be on time tomorrow at 5 a.m. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Whenever you get time, you may go through the basic trigonometric videos in YouTube. Yesterday, I didn't connect class because time was not sufficient. Yeah. Okay. Right.
Yes. Thanks.
Good night.